Hey guys, it's Mike, Narcoleptic Customs. Today we are going to drive the Jeep Grand Wagoneer for the first time. It is 30 degrees this morning. There was frost on the car windows earlier. You can see frost on the old truck. Not frost on this truck because of the placement, I think, probably. So let's see if it starts. Wait for the click. Oh, let it get off and back on. There we go. Hey, God, I love fuel injection. How long would that have taken with a carburetor? All right, we're gonna let it warm up, then we're gonna drive it down the street. Let's do this. Probably low on trans fluid. There we go. Yep. Go back and put some fluid in this thing. Oh, that's much better. So if you're new to this, and it's the first video you've seen of the Grand Wagoneer, essentially we just took two Grand Wagoneers and we made one nice one. It's a 90 model. It's got a factory 360. It has the turbo 400 trans. And essentially we pulled it from the worst body, which was really nice as well. And we put the FiTech system that was on the old body onto this one. A couple things that made it really nice, or will make it nice for the owner, is the old system was wired wrong with the relay. So we took and fixed all that, so now the battery won't die. So every time he would have to like unhook the battery if he was going to have it parked for more than 6 or 7 hours, and that should help, obviously, now that we've got it all right. This truck's been sitting for 3 days, so I wanted to kind of make sure it wasn't going to have any battery issues or anything like that. And as you can see, it's driving great. I mean, it's so nice. I'm going to clean it out and everything like that, but FiTech system, Go EFI 2-barrel, but these things are so nice. Now what's cool about this setup is the next one we're going to do. So since we had one, since we pulled the motor from the other one, and that gave us an empty engine bay, we're going to put an LS in the other one. So it'll be really nice having two of these side by side and be able to test the performance of the 360 compared to the performance of the LS. So it's it'll be an 02 Tahoe with like 240,000 miles. It runs and drives great. We'll pull it in next and get started on it. So let's run this thing down the street real quick, see if Steven's at work, and have our first test drive on the real road. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get him out here. Alright guys, we'll wheeling around, got some pictures there, some artsy fartsy stuff. We'll get this thing turned around here in the parking lot at the old Planet Fitness Bentonville that has nobody in it because the coronavirus. Oh, coronavirus, I hate you. Well, couldn't get Steven at the thing at his job site, so we're gonna head back to the house, check all the fluids, make sure everything's good to go, because this afternoon I want to take this thing to its owner. So I'm so excited. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we've got coming. We've got a ton of stuff for, well, we got the LS for this. We have LS going into C10 for another customer. Steven's getting really close on the MG, Project Adam Ant. If you haven't been following that, make sure to click on that playlist. We're really close on Stanley, the old truck, LS Turbo in it. And hopefully we can get some tuning done on it in the coming next 2 weeks with our buddies over at NWA Streetworks. And then, gosh dang, oh yeah, Narc's cart. We're building it to give away, so make sure you follow that playlist as well. So, all right guys, thanks a bunch. Have a great day.